Yeah.
Alright, we've got the VZ V6 2005 Commodore. I'm checking the what's going on is on this side of the coil packs, which are these plugs here. On this side, on the left hand bank, 1, 2, 3, we're getting 3.5 volts at the coil pack. On the driver's side, we're getting 12.5. So we'll just double check them. 12.2. 12.2 and 12.2. On the left hand side, we are getting 3.5 volts, and same with all the others. 3.5, and the last one here, 3.5, as you can see there on the multimeter. I've been tracing these wires back to these 3 green ones. These 3 bunched up green wires that are here, like this. 1, 2, 3. I've traced them back to this green wire here, which they've patched in 1, 2, 3 into 1. And just to double check it, I'll stab it for you. And if you have a look on the multimeter, it's 3.5, so that corresponds with those. I'll follow that wire to this one, which is here. I'll stab it again, just to confirm. 3.5, so this is that wire. And I've also got that wire here. And I'll stab it again just to confirm. 3.5. Do you see that on the multimeter? Okay. I'm getting too far back here and I'm going into the ECM. What I'm going to do is I'm going to patch into here onto this side and run 12 volts and then put the car together, and if it runs fine, well then I've got to take it to an auto electrician and he's got to figure out where the brake is 3.5 onwards. Cool? So there's a misfire. What's happening is this side bank is misfiring. This side is firing fine because it's got 12 volts. This side has got 3.5. The coil packs are fine. I've tested them with the ohm meter and tested the resistance. So all coil packs are fine. It's getting wet. The spark plugs are getting wet, so it's getting fuel. Spark plugs are brand new, so that's not an issue there. So I'm assuming that here's the issue. I've checked the ground earth wire. On these plugs. The two grounds, they're all fine. Grounds are fine. Grounds are perfect. So the 3.5 volt is the issue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to patch in here. I'm going to patch into this 3.5 volt wire and I'm going to put 12 volts. I'm going to put the car back together. If it starts, great. But then I'm not going to leave it like that. It's going to come to an auto electrician. He's got to find where the anomaly is, where the fault is for this 3.5 wire. Cool? Get it.